Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through on how to remove or fix SOS on iPhone. So if you want to remove or you want to fix the SOS option on your iPhone, here's a quick guide on the best way to fix that. So if you want to remove the SOS on your phone, you just have to go to your settings. So under that, the SOS simply means maybe your phone is out of mobile carrier connector, so maybe you're out of mobile carrier range, or maybe your phone is out of network and your phone is kind of prompting out the SOS option. You can just simply go to your mobile data, then just turn on and turn off the mobile data, or probably just shut on the aeroplane mode on your phone, or probably if that didn't work, and you just go down a little, tap on general, then scroll all the way down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. You just tap on reset, then this will automatically reset your phone settings back to the default, and this will help you fix and remove SOS on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.